What up? New pickup in. Got a new pair of Nike SB. Shout out to Premier. Looked out for me. Sent an invoice out to me before they dropped for all of the early access because I'm a member there. I got that Premier SB sticker in here. Mercy, Dunk Low, Phantom, Malachite Hyper Royal. These off from here. One of the best. Phantom, yeah, Hyper Royal. Super fire colorway, perfect for the spring, summertime. Just give me the Seahawks. Mariners colorway, Nike, very clean, very clean. Got the gum bottoms. Comes with the Nike SB sticker. Yeah, these are clean. Extra green laces, gonna keep the white sail on there. Kind of like a gray color, but yep, shout out Premier. New pair of SBs. Yep, thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.